Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are here in our lab to do a specific activity. Okay.
Yes,
As I have taught you in the class, in the theory classes, that what is acid, what is basis, and what is special neutralization reaction.
Reaction.
Even I have explained you what are the properties of acid and what are the properties of bases. Okay. So we consider that acids are sour in taste and have pH below than 7. And water bases, these are bitter in taste and have pH above than 7. Okay. So now we considered an solution. Which one is basic, which one is acidic, and how should we neutralize it? Okay. So let's get start. Okay. See, first we take a water in a beaker. Okay. This one is the first beaker, and this one is the second one. Okay. See, as we all know that detergent is an best example of base. Okay. So now, and it is also an property of base that it is soluble in water. See. Okay. So now we will mix it in. So this is a basic solution. Okay. Next. This is turmeric, which act as a natural indicator. It will demonstrate that the given solution is acidic or basic. So basically, when turmeric solution is added to a basic solution, it will turn reddish brown. So let's try it. Is it true or false? Let's see. Someone wanna do it? Yes, if you want to. Come on, take a part, add it, and see the magic. Okay, everyone? Is the color change?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What color it is?
Reddish brown.
Reddish brown. Very good. At next, now let us neutralize it. Okay. Now we use a lemon, which is acidic in nature, and as we all know that when acid and base mix with each other, they will get neutralized. Okay. As it will get returned back to its original color. Okay, see the magic? Adding more to it. Yeah, it's need a little pressure too. Okay, see. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. So now, इसको pot. See. Is it turned back to its original color?
Yes, ma'am.
Proven?
Yes, ma'am.
When acids are mixed with bases solution, it will get neutralized. Okay? As we have seen already in this activity. Confirm?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Have a nice day, bacha.